Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is x plus y. This is equal to 6 multiplied by the square root of x, y. So the question is, what is x over y? Now let's provide a solution from here. So we have x plus y. This is equal to 6 multiplied by square root of x, y. So let's square on both sides from here, so that now x plus y to the power of 2, this is in the form of a plus b raised to the power of 2, which can be expressed as a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Now, applying this algebraic identity, then here we have x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. This is equal to, now, here we have 6 squared, and this is equal to 36, multiplied by square root of xy raised to the power of 2. Now, here we can eliminate the square root sign here, so that now we have x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. This is equal to 36xy. Now, let's take 36xy on the left hand side, so that we have x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. Subtract 36xy. This is equal to 0. So we have x to the power of 2 plus y to the power of 2. Now, 2xy minus 36xy, this is minus 34xy. This is equal to 0. Now, let's take minus 34xy on the right hand side, so that now we have x squared plus y squared. This is equal to 34xy. So let's divide both sides by xy, and also here by xy. So xy here simplifies. Now, we can express this equation here. We can express this as x to the power of 2 divided by xy plus y squared divided by xy. This is equal to 34. Let's simplify here. We have x, and x here simplifies. So here we have x over y, then plus. Now, y and y here simplifies. So we have y over x. This is equal to 34. The next step is that we can let x over y be equal to u. So we have x over y is equal to u. Here we have y over x. So this implies that y over x, this is the reciprocal of x over y. So we have 1 over u. So we have u plus 1 over u. This is equal to 34. So remember, u is a whole number and 34 is a whole number. So we have a LCM of u. So let's multiply everything by u, so that now u times u, this is u squared, then plus u and u simplifies, so plus 1. This is equal to 34 times u. This is 34u. Let's take 34u on the left hand side, so that we have u squared minus 34u, then plus 1. This is equal to 0. Now, this is a quadratic equation here, where we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 34, and c is equal to 1. So we can solve for u1, u2 by applying the quadratic formula here, which is minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. Everything here divided by 2 times a. So let's substitute the values of a, b, and c in this formula here. so that we have minus 34 plus or minus the square root of minus 34 raised to the power of 2, then subtract 4, multiplying by a, which is 1, then multiplying by c, which is 1, everything here, divided by 2, multiplying by 1. So this is equal to minus times minus 34. This is 34 plus or minus the square root of minus 34 squared. This is actually equal to 1156. Subtract 4 divided by 2. So this is 34 plus or minus the square root of 1156 minus 4. This is the square root of 1152 divided by 2. Now, we have that 1152. Now, if we divide this by 2, this is the same thing as 576. If we divide by 2 here, 576 divided by 2, this is 288. 288 divided by 2, this is 144. Then 144 divided by 2, this is equal to 72. Then we have 72 divided by 2, this is equal to 36. Then 36 divided by 2, this is equal to 18. Then we have 18 divided by 2, this is equal to 9. And remember, we have 9 divided by 3, this is 3. And then 3 divided by 3, this is 1. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have that 2 to the power of 6 multiplying by 2, then multiplying by 3 squared. This is equal to 1152. So let's substitute 1152 with 2 to the power of 6 times 2 times 3 to the power of 2. Now we have that 4 plus or minus the square root of 1152 is the same thing as 2 to the power of 6 multiplying by 2 multiplying by 3 to the power of 2, everything here divided by 2. Now this is that 4 plus or minus. Now this can be expressed as 2 to the power of 6 times a half times 3 to the power of 2 times a half, then multiplying by square root of 2, everything here divided by 2. So we can simplify here. 6 divided by 2, this is 3, and here 2 and 2 simplifies. So we have 34 plus or minus, this is 2 to the power of 3, this is 8 times 3, so we have 24 multiplying by square root of 2, then everything here divided by 2. So in the numerator here, we can factor out 2, so that now that 4 divided by 2, this is 17 plus or minus 24 square root of 2 divided by 2, this is 12 square root of 2, everything here divided by 2. So we have 2 and 2 simplifies, so that now we have u is equal to 17 plus or minus 12 square root of 2. So we have u1 is equal to 17 plus 12 square root of 2, and we have u2 is equal to 17 minus 12 square root of 2. Now, if you recall, we assumed that let x over y be equal to u. Okay, so we have x over y, this is equal to, now u1 is 17 plus 12 multiplied by square root of 2, and this is actually equal to 17 plus, now 12 multiplied by square root of 2, this is the same thing as 16.9704, and this gives us a value of 33.9704. So this is the first solution of x over y. The second solution of x over y, this is equal to 17 minus 12 multiplied by square root of 2. And this is equal to 17 minus 16.9704. And this is equal to 0.0296. So these are the two solutions for x over y. So kindly follow the steps. Don't forget the steps. Like this video and kindly subscribe. See you in the next video.